Pretty much everyone who knows databases has heard of normal forms. Database normalization helps us normalize our databases so that we get rid of redundant data. There are 4 primary normal forms. These normal forms include the first normal form, second and third normal form, and the so-called Boyce-Codd Normal Form that removes functional dependencies. The first normal form ensures that each set of values in an attribute has relations as elements. The second normal form eliminates redundant data by making each attribute without a key dependent on the primary key. The third normal form further refines the second one by requiring all attributes without a key to be independent of each other. The Boyce-Codd Normal Form builds upon the third normal form and requires that all columns without a key depend on a primary key. The fourth normal form is essentially the same as a Boyce-Codd Normal Form with an added requirement for a table to not contain any multi-valued dependencies. Finally, the fifth normal form refers to the highest level of database normalization. For a database to be in the fifth normal form, it should consist of tables that are decomposed into smaller tables to remove data redundancy and improve data integrity. Many think that this list defines all of the normal forms that can be used, but it is not the case. Not many people know, but there are other normal forms, including the elementary key normal form, essential tuple normal form, domain key normal form, and the sixth normal form. The elementary key or EKEY normal form is an enhancement on the third normal form and is relevant for certain types of functional dependencies. There is also an essential tuple normal form or ETNF, which is stricter than the fourth normal form but less strict than the fifth normal form. If we need to specify a normal form that takes into account all of the possible dependencies and constraints, we use the domain key normal form or DKNF. Finally, the goal of normal forms in terms of databases is to either reduce or completely eliminate the necessity of storing unnecessary data. Subscribe to learn more about normal forms in database management systems, and until next time.